Absolutely. Again, like I had mentioned before, our skin absorbs everything that we put on it. So one of the things I noticed very early on, which was an alert for me to say, oh, I think I might be pregnant, was all of a sudden melasma on my skin. So sunscreen was the first thing that I got rid of many of the products, because I just started noticing there was so much more chemicals in them that should not be in there. So sunscreen was key to a big part of changing what my skincare regimen is, making sure that I'm washing my face on a regular basis, not putting any sort of chemicals at all that would harm my skin, that then would harm the fetus and the embryo, the baby. And I'm making sure that I am trying to stay as hydrated from externally and internally, protecting my skin as much as possible, because I only have one skin, one body, so it's always a matter of protection.